Can you believe that? I'm standing here getting my camera and stuff, getting my stuff ready. I hear something walking. I look behind me, here comes a buck walking up. Probably 10 yards away. A deer's laying right here. I was debating whether to bring the bow this morning. It looks like I probably should have, but at least I know there's a decent buck in the area here. But hope you've seen that. That was just, you know how it goes. Well, how'd you like that little clip? That was taken, I think, back around 2013. It was one of my muzzleloader hunting video. That video is rather long, and that was like towards the end of the video, and I'm sure maybe a lot of people missed that little clip of that buck sneaking up behind me. It was pretty cool. I mean, I wasn't really paying attention. I had my deer on the ground. I was getting everything ready to do like a little interview after the kill. I heard something behind me, didn't pay attention. When I turned around and looked, there was that buck standing there staring at me. And I had to try to maneuver that camera to get it unclamped. I got a little bit of video of him there. I just thought that was a pretty cool clip. A lot of people might have missed it if they didn't watch the entire video. So that's why I threw that in there. So now on for the channel shoutouts. First guy on the list will be Joe23PA. This guy's putting on a lot of good hunting videos on his channel. A lot of interesting stuff. I mean, he does a really good job putting his videos together. Kind of videos that really keep you interested. You want to keep watching. So I'm going to put a link to one of his videos down in my description. Hit that link. Go check it out. See what he's got. Maybe you'll want to subscribe. The next guy, Shoot to Kill Outdoors. James over there. He's got a pretty good channel. His channel's getting pretty big lately. I mean, he keeps climbing up with the subscribers. He does all kind of videos. He does some hunting. He talks about guns. He shows you a lot of tips and tactics, some different things. He does a lot of reviews on stuff. He explains a lot of stuff. He has all kind of content on his channel. I mean, every time he puts a video up, I try to hit that thing. I want to see what he's got because you never know. It's always going to be something interesting, something maybe you never even thought of. He got a lot of good stuff on his channel. So go check James out over there on Shoot to Kill Outdoors. Click the link. It'll be in the description. Click the link. Check out his channel. I'll put one of his videos up. You can see what he's got. And the last guy on the list was Wesco Bow Hunter. I'm sure he's from Wisconsin. I'm not sure how he wants his name pronounced. This guy has been putting together videos. He doesn't have a ton of content on his channel, but what he does have, it's very good. Very good editing. I mean, he does an excellent job. You think you're watching a TV show when you watch some of his videos. He does a really good job. I'm not even sure if he's subscribed to me, but I'm subscribed to him, and he's one of the channels that when I see a video, I click on it. I want to see what he got. But go check him out. I'll put a link to one of his videos in the description. And you gotta check these videos out. I know a lot of times people do these shout out videos and they'll put a list of channels in the description. A lot of people, they miss a lot of good stuff if they're not clicking on them videos and watching. At least you get an idea what the channel is. And if you're like me, like I said before, I spend a lot of time on YouTube checking out people's stuff. And when I see a channel that really catches my eye, those are the ones I keep coming back to see what else they got. So that's it for me on my end. I appreciate you watching my videos. So thanks again. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed. Thanks, guys.